Your group.
Your facility.
Yes. Are you from there?
No.
Oh, do you know about it?
Yes.
If we cooperate with you, will you teach us about it?
Submit to us.
I don't know what that means.
What would I need to do to submit?
Step-by-step instructions.
Place this on.
What will this do to me?
It will make you perfect.
Make me perfect.
Little dot will do it.
Yes.
Will you?
Yeah.
Good. Put it on.
I like this.
Dominate. Join them.
Little dot?
Wow.
What?
He will serve.
That's it?
That's all it does?
What?
I'm gonna see if
Grant
these
us
guys want to do
the
it.
facility.
You want the facility?
Yes. It is ours for the taking.
That's fine with me.
Good.
What?
Will you submit to the Sons of Bartok?
Does it mean you putting on one of those things?
Could we just be with you? Join you guys?
I'm a doctor. I don't that thing. I don't know if I'll be able to perform on.
I do not
you.
trust.
Oh.
Good. Then perhaps you will see its benefits for yourself. Yes.
Wow. So it was kind of like before.
Yes.
But with the tools. But this does it itself.
I was wondering how to adapt the ones we had from humans to the mutants.
Oh, wow.
It looks like they figured it out.
They did.
It's you.
I'm still concerned that you brought them here.
It's quite interesting.
Is it technology?
It is technology.
Cool.
I question your intellect.
His or all of ours?
All of yours.
All of our intellect.
Oh, I'm brilliant.
They are not worthy. Though they may carry an artifact of the Sons of Bartok,
I don't like that.
this does not make them perfect.
We're willing to help you. Just don't. We can get you other people.
No. All will submit to the will of the Sons of Bartok.
Why do you not work?
Because I am perfect.
Oh,
Come on.
okay.
Can you even do 10 push-ups?
Yes.
I don't think this is necessary.
It is necessary.
I don't see why this is necessary for the. I mean, we have to use the device to do not make it to the first. I'm just going through that.
Very well.
I understand.
We will take this facility by force, for it will make an excellent offering to the old ones.
Oh dear.
Dominate drones. Kill all
Before I
the
can eat my poison!
Resist.